We, the Al Masoom Group, are one of the most successful garments manufacturer in Bangladesh, a country with great potential in the field of garment manufacturing business since 1992 in RMG sector.
Our main aim is to satisfy our customers by producing best quality products, ensuring on-time delivery, and helping our customers for their satisfaction.
Al Muslim Group has passed nearly 2 decades of achievement aiming to lead the competitive openwear manufacturing organizations of Bangladesh. We focus on issuing innovative process, technologies and machines to manufacture the finest products with quality. Al Muslim Group has been awarded the Gold Trophy from Honorable Prime Minister of Bangladesh Sheikh Hasina as the highest exporting garment manufacturer for the fiscal year 2013-2014 and fiscal year 2014-2015 from Honorable Commerce Minister. We have also been awarded from Bangladesh Apparels and Textile Exposition Batexpo for 2 times. Besides this, we have also achieved H&M Excellence Award for the Green Biological ETP and overall brand performance. We have vast capacity to produce garments for our invaluable customers and buyers. Our total production capacity ranges approximately 2.5 billion pieces per month as per the requirements of buyers. For taking any immediate and faster decision, we can connect with the buyers through video conference. We have around 20,000 skilled and experienced manpower along with 120 sewing lines, which is our main strength. Latest machineries, own office and factory building, own washing plant having capacity of 3 million pieces per month with wet process by hydro machines and dry process with laser machine are also our greatest strength. Besides this, zero tolerance of quality issue, own accessories, quilting, rib and embroidery facilities have enlarged our specialty. Worldwide top-class buyer entrusted on Al Muslim Group. To perform smooth production and ensure the quality products on time, we have all forward and backward linkage facilities that is being carried out by AKM Knitwear Limited, Pacific Blue Jeans Limited, Al Muslim Washing Limited, Al Muslim Yarn Dyeing Limited, Al Muslim Accessories Limited and Al Muslim Builders Limited is also an associate company of this group. Our well-equipped laboratory enables us to do physical test, chemical test, color fastness test of fabrics and other materials at different production level. We have well-decorated high-quality machineries for the cutting section with expert cutting masters, including with over 7,000 skilled sewing machine operators, well-decorated 8 sewing floors with the conveyor belt machines per floor with the area of 85,000 square feet, including with 7,000 sewing machines. For ensuring the good quality, we also ensure product safety and isolated needle issuing room. Our dyeing capacity is 65,000 kgs per month. Our printing division is enriched with a wide range of variety and latest technologies. We are working on all kind of printing and embroidery works as per buyer requirements. Al Muslim Washing Limited, established in January 2009 with the facility of high-tech machineries along with having multi-skilled washing experts. About 3 million pieces per month can be produced by using the capacity. We are the first in Bangladesh to set up the most efficient biological green effluent treatment plants to minimize adverse effects to nature to make the world a better place for all, which is certified by H&M. Quality is our first priority. Our skilled and well-trained inspection team has been undertaking more steps to inspect the goods, such as accessories inspection, fabric inspection in 4-point system for the best quality of goods. Moreover, we have buyer-wise fabrics storage system. We have our own medical center for the free treatment of our staffs and workers by specialist doctors. Our entire office and pre-stressed factory building are covered with CCTV for the safety of our employees, goods and storage. We are always aware about the rights of our valuable workers. Prayer room facility, dining room, pure drinking water, free lunch facility for all the workers, maternity leave for the women workers are few mentionable here. We have our own office and fashion house in China at Suzhou to source the best quality fabrics and garments. We carry out total business activities through IT-enabled system like cloud, email, different integrated software, etc. We, the Al Muslim Group, are certified by some national and international organizations and got membership. Our mission is to contribute to the greater interest of the people, broadly speaking, to serve the nation. Our vision is to create an outstanding value for customers and other stakeholders. We are committed to produce world-class products through our hard work and commitment that can satisfy our customers. As a result, we, the Al Muslim Group, has now become the country's most trusted business entity.